Welcome this video title Elevate Your Space Smart Bathroom Accent Wall Design Idea Introducing when it comes to interior design smart space present a unique chilled bathroom in particular can be tricked to decorate due to the limited square foot ever. However, a bit of create and strategy plan to your transforming your smart bathroom into a style and invite oasis. One effective way to make a big impact in a compact space is by incorporating an accent wall. We will explore various smart bathroom accent wall design idea to help your minimalist style without compromising functional. Choose the right wall before drawing into decor idea and predict the best wall of your accent. Typically, the wall opposite the entrance or the one behind the vanity middle make an idea. Choose this focal point wall draw effect add doing an interior to the space without overwhelm it. Bold wallpaper. One of the quickest way to make a statement in a smart bathroom is by use both wallpaper on the accent away other of variance pattern geometric shape or blonde print to inflow energy into the space. Ensure the color blonde complement the rest of the bathroom decor of a straight look. Tiles accent. Tiles area just of full and show wall. Consider use ice sketch tiles to create a stem accent wall. This can be a most design sub away title arranged in a unique pattern or even A single blend color tiles